The Ring Wired Video Doorbell. All the essentials in a slimmed down design. Thank you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Davis YouTube channel, your place for product spotlights, the Orange Couch Crush series, recorded webinars from the manufacturers, and our newest offering, the Eat, Sleep, Install, Repeat podcast, where we sit down with industry leaders and take a deeper look at what makes them and their products tick. Be sure to check out our full lineup, subscribe, and give us a like. Today on the tabletop product spotlight, we have the Ring Wired Video Doorbell. Since this model is wired, it will pull power from your home's existing doorbell power, which will connect here on the back. On the front is the HD camera, which will give a clear view of any motion or when someone rings the doorbell, like so. Ding dong. With Ring System, you can answer the door or see motion alerts from anywhere you are in real time via the app. If you decide to subscribe to Ring Home, you're able to view up to 180 days of event history. The wired video doorbell also features two-way talk, which allows you to speak to anyone at your door. This camera will not be able to sound the home's existing doorbell chime, but Ring has you covered. Pair a Ring chime to hear anytime the doorbell is pressed. The chime plugs into a standard outlet and can be placed anywhere in the home. For even more coverage, place them in multiple spots so you never miss a visitor. This doorbell isn't just good during the daytime either. If motion is captured or someone rings the doorbell at night, the camera automatically switches over to night vision, giving you a clear, bright picture even in the darkest conditions. Installing in a busy area, the Ring app allows you to customize your motion zones to fit your needs. Now you won't receive an alert for every car that drives by. If you have your hands full, just ask Alexa to answer the door. You'll be able to hear and talk right through your Amazon Alexa powered speaker. If you're still too tied up to be able to do that, the Ring app has you covered. Set up a quick reply asking visitors to leave a message, which can be viewed on the app. The Ring product line has really changed the way people view home security in a good way. At least once a day on social media, I see videos captured from Ring devices, whether they are stopping a break-in or recording grandma driving her golf cart into the garage door. So if you're ready to jump into the Ring ecosystem, or just looking to add some additional security to a pre-existing doorbell, this piece is for you. At Davis, we strongly recommend reaching out to a local installer. They'll provide expert advice, ensure seamless integration, and help you achieve the perfect setup for your needs. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure to log into davisdealers.com or call your Davis salesperson for more info and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you guys next time.